We are in our FingerPower Primer level, and we are on number 24, and we're continuing with sharps and flats, but this time it's chromatic. Chromatic means that you're going to hit all of the keys in order. So, and it's a very short run of notes that we have. And if you notice here, as we move up in our music, it's sharps. And then as we come back down, it's flats. Up, sharps. And then same way with the left hand, our notes are moving down, so it's flats that we're playing. And then as we ascend, it's sharps. And then as we move down, it's flats again. Okay, so let's see how this sounds. And you want to pay attention to your fingering. We're just using our thumb and our third fingers as we play this piece. That's the way you cross when you are playing a chromatic scale. Now, in a full chromatic scale, you do use your second finger, but for right now, we are only using our thumb and third finger. So here we go. Here's the right hand section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try playing both of those lines together and play it 2 times. Ready? Here we go. Now that should remind you of a scary movie or it's real rainy and windy and that is what they use for the sound of the wind and the rain and everything. It's just a little chromatic scale, or it could be a full chromatic scale, but it gives you that little sense of eeriness when you play. Okay, have fun with those.